Rub me like a Hellcat.
General Bernardo Pardas, who proceed on stage for the continuation of the program. You may now proceed. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we request everyone to please direct your attention to the screen for the tribute message from one of the families of our gallant SAP 44, Mrs. Erica S.J. Palaginas and Miss Camille Rian S.J. Palaginas, the widow and daughter of late Police Major Ryan Palaginas.
I was asked to deliver a speech for the 7th-year commemoration of the SAP 44, but instead I made a point. Deeply extracted from the celebrations of life and the lessons of tragedy. Dear Tracy, it breaks my heart that you were taken so unexpectedly. Your memory will never leave us and will live long in our hearts and memory. I was never ready for you to live, and true to others, no one does without you. The world changes from year to year, our lives from day to day. But the love and memory together we share shall never pass away. Goodbyes hurt the most, when the story is not finished. And now, I don't know if it's love, or just all simply finished. Our memories together will remain fresh in my minds forever. You are my superhero, the biggest blessings I've ever had. Now, we have to accept their forever absence, so that everything from now on will make sense. Be grateful of that every moment we get to spend with the people we love, for life is so precious and unpredictable. Each journey is uncertain. On behalf of the families and friends of SAP 44, we would like to convey our heartfelt gratitude to the entire Philippine National Police Organization and to the Duterte Administration for recognizing the heroism of our loved ones, especially to the declaration of the National Day of Remembrance every January 24th. Thank you and God bless us.
Hi everyone, my name is Camilleria San Juan Cabalinas. I am the daughter of Police Chief Inspector Ryan B. Cabalinas. Today, we commemorate the gallantry of the Staff 44. Thank you for remembering my father and his men who fought for our country and for our safety. To me, my dad is my superhero. I thank him for guiding me from heaven. It has been 7 years since my dad has died, and I still miss him. I am grateful for him and his men because they saved us from danger. I remember 6 years ago, I sang a song dedicated to my father and his men. Para sa akin, ang tatay ko ay bayani, kabilang sa mga natapad na nagmamahal sa bayan. Kahit na ano pa ang sabihin ng mundo, ang tatay kong pulis ay bayani sa puso ko.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,